Drill-Grinder IBS-A. Check out this nifty gadget from Proxin. It's powered by a 10.8V lithium-ion battery, packing a punch for all sorts of jobs. Whether you're drilling, grinding, polishing, or even personalizing your projects, this tool's got you covered. You can adjust the speed to fit your needs, ranging from 7,000 to 23,000 RPM. It's smooth and sturdy, thanks to cool features like a double-row ball-bearing spindle and a precision-ground steel shaft. Plus, it comes with 6 handy steel collets to fit different bits and cutters. And here's the cherry on top. It's designed with a 20mm micro Mach collar, perfect for use in drill and horizontal stands, making your work even easier.